Hello 10th standard. Let us continue with our next topic of lesson number 16 of economics. Steps taken to protect environment. This will be my 6th video and the last video of this lesson. Let us see this. See, environment gives us so many things. So obviously it is very important to protect environment, right? Now, for the first time, Earth Conference was organized in 1972 at Stockholm in Sweden. Thereafter, from time to time, convention and camps have been organized to protect the environment at the global level, in which it was decided to take different steps for environmental protection. So environment को protect करने के लिए 1972 में फर्स्ट टाइम अर्थ कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था. वी कैन टेल one meeting was held in which certain steps they have decided to be taken to protect environment. Okay, and after that time to time again and again environment को protect करने के लिए ऐसी मीटिंग्स होती रही एंड काम भी होता रहा. India is also involved in these global efforts. Government is also making different efforts at the national level. So India भी इस effort में involved है. That is India has also taking part in such kind of conferences to protect environment, and government is also making, that is not only इंटरनेशनल लेवल बट नेशनल लेवल पर भी गवर्नमेंट अपने लेवल पर भी एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए काफ़ी स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट पॉल्यूशन कंडीशन ऑफ डिफरेंट सिटीज ऑफ नेशन इज प्रेजेंटेड. सो इंफॉर्मेशन प्रेजेंट की जाती है, लाइक ranks are given, which city is less polluted, which city is more polluted, like that ranks are given at national level. In the same way ranks might be given at international level also. कौन सी सिटी में पॉल्यूशन बहुत कम है, कौन सी सिटी में पॉल्यूशन बिल्कुल नहीं है, एंड ऑल. ओके, देन सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड्स have been established to control pollution. So pollution control करने के लिए that is central government and state government अपने अपने तौर तरीकों से, अपने अपने आइडियाज़ से pollution को कंट्रोल करने के स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं. 5th June has been declared as Environment Day in the world. So worldwide 5th June is celebrated as Environment Day. In India, government passed Air Pollution Control Act in 1981. So government ने, इंडिया के गवर्नमेंट ने 1981 में एक एक्ट पास किया and that act was Air Pollution Control Act. International agreement have been signed for deteriorating level of ozone, disposal of nuclear waste and maintain of biodiversity. So internationally agreement बनाया गया कि ओजोन लेयर को किस तरह से प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, क्योंकि ओजोन लेयर बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग इन पॉल्यूशन ओजोन लेयर इज गेटिंग हार्म. और अगर ओजोन लेयर कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो सनरेज डायरेक्टली अर्थ पे फॉल करेगी, जिससे क्या होगा कि अर्थ विल it will not leave for human being to be lived, right? एक suitable environment नहीं होगा लोगों के लिए रहने को अगर ओजोन लेयर ख़त्म हो जाए, right? So ओजोन लेयर को संभालना, उस लेस पॉल्यूशन, जितना कम पॉल्यूशन होगा ओजोन लेयर उतना इम्प्रूव होगा. लाइक ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस जो भी लॉकडाउन हुआ है उसकी वजह से ये फ़ायदा तो हुआ है कि पॉल्यूशन बहुत कम हुआ, राइट? You might have seen in newspaper like from distance of 200 and more than 200 kilometers, Himalayan mountains are able to see now, which were not seen from so many years. Now it's able to see. तो ऐसे कई सारे पॉइंट्स हैं जिनकी वजह से लाइक ओजोन लेयर डिस्ट्रॉय होने से बच गई है ड्यू टू इवन लॉकडाउन वी कैन से, राइट. सो उसी तरह से दैट इज़ न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट. इंडस्ट्रीज में से भी जो वेस्ट पॉल्यूटेड वेस्ट होता है, हार्मफुल केमिकल वेस्ट होता है, उनको किस तरह से डिस्पोज करना है, उनके ऊपर भी प्रॉपर डिसीजन लेना चाहिए सो दैट पॉल्यूशन शुड नॉट इंक्रीज. Then maintenance of biodiversity, that is maintenance of plants, trees, animals, we can tell habitation and animals life. Understood? The vegetation, sorry, not habitation, vegetation, plants, forest areas, then animals, either it is wild animals or domestic animals. तो ये सबको भी अच्छे से, अगर पॉल्यूशन कम होगा तो ही वो अच्छे से रह पाएंगे, राइट. Thus, conservation of environment is everyone's responsibility. If we do not control pollution, no doubt the life on the earth will be doomed soon. So, that is environment को conserve करके रखना बहुत important है. अगर environment harm इसी तरह से होता रहा तो अर्थ पे रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Understood? So this was the lesson number 16 for you all. Okay. In my last video I had given you 4 question answers so that you can write. But along those 4 question answers, I think you people might have read these 3 questions also, which are written with pen. Okay. So these questions also you have to do sort out, because these questions are not covered in your exercise. Okay. If you people have not started writing your question answers, I will upload this picture again today so that you can start writing. So this picture along with this, you have to go on with this writing of exercise. Along with that, even which questions are written with pen, those question answers also you have to do in your notebook. Okay. MCQs no need to write in notebook, you can do it here only on your textbook. Understood? Now one important thing, this 6th video of lesson number 16 will be uploaded twice, that is 2 times. Why 2 times? Because for my next lecture I will not start a new lesson, as I want you people to complete your writing work. Okay. So today's lecture and our next lecture of social studies, I will be uploading same video so that you get 2 days to complete writing question answers in your notebooks. Okay everyone. So I repeat again, same video I will upload, this video only I will upload twice, so that 2 days you will get time to write these question answers. Okay. Now writing these question answers doesn't mean you simply copy down or simply go on writing with rubbish handwriting. No, I am giving you 2 days. Okay, I will give you 2 days to complete your work. So see that you don't write carelessly, read the answers properly and write. Understood? So that you can understand the topic, you can understand in what way answer comes. Okay everyone. I will upload these exercise questions along with this video. Thank you.